Alright guys, so what we got here is a Canarm 107 ceiling fan, I think this is. I got this in my collection. It's here in Jeffrey's garage. Here he is right there. He's filming it as well. Yeah, so found this fan at Habitat in I think 2016 or 17, I think. I'm thinking 2016 I got this, but it might have been later. And some of you, if any of you don't notice, it has a light kit that looks like a Saturn light kit, like the Casablanca Saturn. I don't think this is a Saturn light kit. It might just be a Saturn copy. But it has cane blades, so it's reversed to oak or cane. I just used cane because obviously that's cool. And it has a pull chain for reverse. So yeah, we'll demonstrate. I'll show the light using a compact fluorescent bulb in this. Yep, there it is. Step back and show the whole fan with the light on.
I have this exact fan, but in bright brass, and instead of those brackets, it's got the pencil blade brackets.
Yep. So here it is on low.
It's bright brass.
This is the same fan that was in the bowling alley in the arcade. Unfortunately, that bowling alley just got torn down because the building that it was in was being torn down, and they're building condos there. Of course. It also, the one that had the 3 Canarms CP56 upstairs, and 2 Tats and 1 Canarm Pleasant Air, the lower level. And this is where the this fan, or that exact fan, okay, how should I say it? Yeah, they had this fan there in the arcade. The level with the 2 Tats and 1 Pleasant Air, that's where the arcade fan was, which was this one. This isn't the exact one I got from in there though I wish. And here's medium.
Fans on a bit of an angle because the wire. I like it extra because the light kit is like it's in
Light kit, yeah, light kit looks wonky.
If we had more time, I'd put it back on there properly, but it is what it is.
It actually wobbles a bit.
It's just because of the looseness. It's moving it all right about very compared to the I still have these 2 fans on. It's on his absolute balls.
Yeah, I actually forgot to turn off those 2 fans before doing the video. Oh well. It is hot in here, so should have them on.
At least we have 2 this time instead of just the swing.
And here's high.
Yeah, it's a little shit.
Of course. What's new? It would be wobbly.
Yeah.
Plus the light kit probably makes it wobbly. Now obviously, of course, the one that was in the bowling alley in the arcade didn't have a light, and the blades were on the oak side. This fan moves a lot of air. Yeah, this is pretty much a good fan.
I don't like making any noise either, that's always good.
Oh man, it's hard to get it up there. So I don't want to cut my hand. And we'll turn it off. Do spin down. Okay, I got... Oh, did I get it off? I hope I did. The pull chain was struggling to pull there for a minute.
Are you doing reverse or not?
Oh yeah, I'm doing reverse.
Well, if anybody watches my videos, they know I don't do reverse, so I can spin down and I was gonna end it.
Oh dear, I should. We don't have very much time now, so
So I just want to make a video when I go by.
yeah.
So as I'm going to take down some Mayfair. I didn't have a video of that. I might post a video of that one. We had kind of a mishap with it. You might see it in my video, you might not.
Should be coming to a complete stop now. And wouldn't you know it?
Look at that, literally stopped so perfectly with the joists. I'm pretty sure the Born Alaska did that too.
Yeah,
Rod is just good luck.
yeah, so set it to reverse now.
Well, that's all for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. Ugh.
So yeah.
There you go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, my knee popped. I didn't feel very good. Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, and I forgot to show the fan and light on together while running.
Well, I mean, you can do that on reverse.
Like usually I would show it running. Usually I would show the light on with the fan running on forward on high. But I forgot to do that.
Should I show them? Just keep the camera there. I'll show them a sneak peek
Here's
of what you'll see next time Brandon makes a video of my place. Here's a sneak peek of what you'll see.
all right. Yeah, yeah. When I come again, the 1930s original. Especially you, Connor. I know how much you love 1930s original.
I practically robbed the guy for that fan. Did I ever tell you how much I paid for it?
Yeah, you paid a lot for it.
Nope. That fan is worth like over $500. I paid $80 for it.
Wow.
I literally I practically robbed the guy. It was pretty funny. I just really wish I knew about this thing.
Here's medium, and here's high. High reverse. Oh goodness, is it wobbling worse on reverse?
No, it's about the same as far as I see it. We need as much airflow in here as possible.
All right, and here's the fan and light on at the same time. Since I forgot to do that. And here it is. And just shut the light off. And we'll turn it off. God, why am I struggling to pull the pull chain? I don't know. Anyways, that's it. So thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Next up, the gold mine. See ya.